Generative AI assistants typically interact through natural language prompts, either typed or spoken. While some assistants provide buttons and visual tools, the effectiveness of AI generated responses largely depends on how well prompts are crafted. The best prompt varies based on the task, the assistant being used, and the underlying language model. However, following these key prompting techniques can help optimizing the results. Be specific about your goal. Clearly define what you want the assistant to do, and provide relevant sources. Grounding responses in real data ensures accuracy. And then add context. More information helps refine AI generated responses. And then set expectations. Define the desired format and scope for the response. And finally, iterate and refine, adjust the prompts based on past responses to improve accuracy. Prompt engineering enhances how users interact with AI, providing several advantages. Increased efficiency, well crafted prompts streamline AI tasks like summarization, content generation, and query writing. Improved user confidence. Thoughtful prompts help users, especially beginners, interact effectively with AI. Optimize use of foundation models. AI models trained on vast datasets perform better with well structured prompts. And then reduced biases and errors. Careful prompt engineering minimize confusion and ensure more reliable output. And finally, bridging the gap between queries and responses. Better prompts lead to a higher quality, actionable results, reducing the need for manual editing. When you submit a prompt, an AI assistant typically enhances it before sending it to the language model. Process may include adding system messages, setting conditions, constraints for the AI behavior, maintaining conversation history using past interactions to provide more relevant responses, and rewording or optimizing prompts, adjusting phrasing, and adding relevant data sources for better accuracy. Prompt engineering is an essential skill that allows users to program AI models using natural language instead of coding. Skilled prompt engineers create precise and structured queries that help AI understand the intent behind requests, leading to a better quality responses. By refining prompts, users can improve AI generated content accuracy, guide AI behavior without requiring technical expertise, and reduce time spent on post generation corrections. Microsoft Copilot for Security includes featured prompts, predefined queries designed to assist with security related tasks. These prompts incorporate best practices and expert feedback to help users quickly analyze threats and generate security insights. Users can access featured prompt by typing the forward slash in the prompt bar. For example, analyze a script or command, examine a script, language, purpose, risk, and recommended actions, summarize a security article, extract key takeaways from security related content, generate a security query, convert natural language requests into queries for Microsoft Sentinel and Defender XDR or Azure Monitor, and then finally generate security reports, which creates structured report based on previous prompts and AI generated insight. So effective prompting is key to maximizing the benefit of generated AI. Whether refining queries, leveraging pre-built security prompts, or iterating responses, prompt engineering ensures that AI generated outputs are clear, accurate, and actionable.